Hey everyone, here's everything you need to know about the inbox, being a follower on tasks, and filtering tasks. The inbox is a quick place to add tasks. You can assign tasks to other team members, or you can create tasks for them directly in the inbox, so they can sort them to the right project later. When you create a task, or assign a task, or comment on a task, you'll become a follower of that task. Following a task helps you stay informed about activity on that task. You'll get notifications when there are new comments, when the task is completed, if it goes off track, and more. So you can respond accordingly. To stop following a task, hit this toggle. You can also add other team members as followers. If you want to find tasks you're following, you can use this quick filter. You can quickly switch between your tasks, tasks you're following, tasks you created, or tasks assigned to others. And you can use this same quick filter in the Tasks tab in Folders and Projects. As always, let us know if you have any questions. Check out our other videos and have a great day.